Hi, this is Paula. I'm the community manager at Kantree, and today I'd like to show you how to get started on projects in just a few clicks. We know that doing so can seem like a daunting task, creating a whole workflow, but luckily it doesn't have to be thanks to our template library. To access it, go to your user menu, and it's right there. You can also create a new workspace right from your organization page. So let's do that. Now, you always have the option to create a new project, or workspace as we call it, from scratch, whether you need a Kanban board, to-do list, table, and so on. But if you are pressed for time, just go straight to the left side to the template library. All the templates are categorized so that you don't have to spend a lot of time looking for what you need. And we have several popular categories such as recruiting, marketing, operations, sales, and so on. Right now, let's check out marketing. Here we have a few templates: content calendar, editorial calendar, event planning, and so on. And we keep adding new templates to the library, so keep checking the space. If there's something that you would like to see but we don't have it yet, let us know. We will create the workflows for you and put them here in the library. For now, let's take a look at a content calendar. All you have to do is click on that photo, then use this template, give it a name, a little bit of color, and create. That's it. It takes just a few clicks to create a workflow with predefined views, predefined shared views here in the project sidebar. Each of our templates will include several views. They may be a Kanban board, a to-do list, a table, which is like a spreadsheet, calendar, and timeline, just to give you a lot of flexibility in terms of how you manage and visualize your project. In my example here of the content calendar, we have the go-to Kanban board with content ideas and those content pieces that are to do, doing, and done, your traditional Kanban. The idea with the templates is that you take the predefined framework and then you customize it. So you don't need to create all these columns from scratch. So it cuts down on your on the time you spend to create a workflow. Customizing is pretty straightforward here. We can add some new items, for example, and you can move things around, just drag and drop. You can invite people to this. Here you can add contributors. You just tag them, they will be notified very quickly. Let's take a look at some of the other views. For the purposes of our content management, I like to have a Kanban with all the months so that I can do some long-term planning. And when it comes to a content archive, everything we've ever published, I like to keep a table. Each template will also have a progress report, and these reports will all look different depending on the type of template and the type of work and department that we're dealing with. You can quickly and easily add charts to customize your own workflow. And one thing that I really enjoy is that I can create my own private views, because we don't all work the same way. We may have these shared views for everybody to see, but for example, maybe you would like to see these tasks as a list instead of a Kanban board. So here I can change my view, and then I can save it as a new private view right here. This will be my view and mine only, unless I share it later. But the idea is that next time I log into Kantree to this workspace and see the project, I am not interfering with anything else that's going on here. So my teammates can still see all these views that we all have, but then I can also see my own view and manage my project the way I want to. And you can keep adding views right from here if you need more of them, if you need reports, and so on. So that's the idea of the template library. Again, if you need to see any more templates, let us know. But for now, I invite you to take a look around in your Kantree workspace and see what we have, and perhaps you can get started on your project in just a few clicks next time you do that. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and until next time.